So guys, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to build a WordPress website. Alright, I'm going to show you from the installation of the WordPress software to how to getting your own website done on the WordPress server. Alright, so first thing first, you need to get access to your cPanel. You can see I'm in my cPanel, which is also the control panel. If you don't know how to get your cPanel, you just go for any good service provider to purchase your domain and your host. If you don't know how to do that, I've also made a video on that on my previous YouTube post. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to locate Softaculous app installer by WordPress here. Look at it, Softaculous manager by WordPress, or sorry, WordPress manager by Softaculous. Now this is a software that helps us build and install WordPress so that we can start designing our websites. All right, so I'll come down here. This is also Softaculous app installer. This is to manage it, and this is to install the WordPress. So I'll click on it. So, and I'm going to click on install. You can see WordPress. There are a lot of them there. So it's going to ask me choose your URL, choose installation URL. Now I'm not going to be installing my WordPress in this main URL, but if you don't have any other websites, you can just install your WordPress directly into your domain name. But for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to be using a subdomain which I created. Okay, so I'm going to click on it. This is the subdomain here, Prime. All right, so I'm going to click on this. That's where I want to install my software, my WordPress. So here I'm just going to change these details. Then I'm scroll down and click on install. So my WordPress is installing. So I just have to be patient. So you see notes, okay. All right, congratulations, the software was installed. Now if you notice, it has two links. This is the first one. Now this is the second one. Now this is the WordPress link, which is also your front end link. That's once someone just click your website or type your website address, that's the link and that's going to pop up. It's going to bring out that page. That's the front end page. Then this other link here is the administrative link. This is where the developers get to build your websites, right? Every website you see, any WordPress website you see, that's where the developer, or rather the web design, that's where they get to build it, design it to the client satisfaction. So without wasting time, I'm just going to go to this link where we are going to install and build our website. So I'm going to right click and open it on a new tab. So you can see it says welcome to WordPress. Now this is the dashboard. Yeah, this is the dashboard, or rather you can see interface of the WordPress. You can see it has a lot of pages and functions. Like I said, posts, media, pages, comments, appearance, plugins, user tools, settings, everything, everything you just need to build your website. Now, if you want to start, if you want to get started, the first thing first, you need to come to your appearance so that you can select a theme. You see, go to your appearance so that you can select a theme. Now, if you notice, all these are themes you can install, but most of these themes are they are they are empty themes. If you install them now, you discover that they are empty themes. So I'll just upload a theme, a WordPress theme I have, so that we can customize. Okay, so I'll click on add new, then I'll click on upload. Now it's asking me to choose file, so I'm just going to click on choose file. So I already have my theme, which is this avas. Yes, it's avas.zip. Now I'm going to install it. So while that is installing, you just have to be patient, very, very patient, because it's going to take a while. So click on activate. Okay. Then it said welcome to Avast. Now you click on manage plugin. You can see, before you use any WordPress templates, there are a lot of requirements. Some of those requirements are plugins that needs that Avast needs, or rather the template needs to function well. So if you don't install those necessary plugins, the template is not going to function well and your website is not going to come out great. So now I'm going to go to this theme requires the following plugins, right? So I'm going to click on manage plugins so that I can see the plugins that is required for the template to run. So you can see this. So what I'll do here, I'll just click on plugin. See, I've clicked on everything. I'll come to bulk action. I'll click on install. Then I'll click on apply. Now it's installing. You see, installing and activating plugin Avast School. So we'll just have to wait for it to install. It might take a bit of time, but we'll just have to be patient for it to install. So it even says it here, see, the installation and activation process is starting. This process may take a while on some hosts, so please be patient. So they're already telling us that this thing is going to take time. So let's just be patient. If you have a glass of drink or a glass of wine, you just have to sit back, relax, and take your drink. Okay, our plugin has been fully installed. So the next thing we want to do now is head over to, you can see this demo importer, this import demo. So we'll have to check the available demo on this particular template. So let's check that. We have tons and tons of demo. Look at all the demos. These demos are suitable for any kind of website. You can see this is an agency demo. This, maybe you have an air condition business, you are into architecture, you can just import this demo. Or maybe you are into artificial intelligence, you can just import this demo and start building your website. Or you are a barber and you need a website for your barber shop, you can see. So this particular template has this template kit has a lot of demo you can use to kickstart your own website. All right, so I'll just choose any random one from this demo kits. Let me look for any suitable one. You can pick anyone. We have tons of templates here. Okay, so let me say we want to build a business website. Okay, let me say we want to build a business website. So I'll just, if you want to preview this demo, you right click, then you click on open in a new tab. Let's preview how this demo is going to look like on our website. That's if we eventually design it, how it's going to look like. Can you see that? Very sleek, user friendly. You see. So quick one, if we want to import this demo, if we want to start using it, so just click on import demo. All right, and you scroll down and click on continue and import. So everything automatically will just start importing. You have your Elementor, you have the contact form 7, you have the slider revolution. All these are the packages that comes with this template, this particular template kit. Everything is going to unpack and it's going to import. So as you can see, the necessary plugins has been installed. So you just have to click on continue and import. All right, so it's importing the content right now. You just have to have a little patience. Most times it will take time. Now this is the demo we are working with. After everything be done, our website is going to come out as this. Then we can start editing it to our taste. All right, it said import complete. Let me visit the site. Right click on your mouse, then click on open on new tab. All right, can you see that? Mind you, pay attention to the domain name. It is the domain name we installed our WordPress. So you can see the website is already in. So what we have to do now is to start editing and designing this website to our taste. So you go back, then the first thing first, you go to
my website, my blog. You see visit, you right click and you open a new tab. Now you see this place edit with Elementor. So you click on it so that we can start editing. No time. We will start editing with Elementor from the header to the footer to the body of the website. We are going to edit everything and you can edit it via Elementor.